Hey guys, Quinn and I are back today to show you the May braid box tutorial. The style for this month's a hair flower, and we want to show you what you get in the box to help you do the style. So the first thing that you're going to get are these Velcro flower hair stickers. These are, you're going to get a set of 3, so you get 6 total, and these are the same Velcro that you'll find on Velcro hair rollers, so the hair will stick to them. This is what you're going to build the flower on. And then the next thing you're going to get are these pearl brads. This will go in the middle of the flower, and in the video I'll show you how to put those in. The next thing you're going to get are some mini bobby pins. I'll open that up. So these are just short bobby pins that hold really well and they hide easier in the hair. I love these for doing flowers, that's what I always use. The next thing you're going to get is some of my favorite hairspray. This is great just to finish the look and to keep it all looking nice and in place. And then the last thing that I included are these mini flower claw clips. These are just super cute and they add a little bit of spring to any braid, and I wanted to include those in the box too. We're super excited to show you how to do this style, so let's get started.
Begin this style off of a ponytail. To keep it simple, I made a small side ponytail with the hair on the very top of the head. Next, begin to make a 3-strand braid. After making 2 or 3 lines of the braid, begin to pull or pancake out what will become the outside of the flower. Notice that the end of the section I am pulling with my right hand is being loosely held by my left hand. Holding the end of the section gently and pulling it as you go along, I have found is the best method to really get that petal effect around the outside of the hair flower. Continue doing this with each line of the braid until you are about halfway done. Once you reach the halfway point, you no longer need to pull or pancake the outside of the braid. Just continue braiding the hair as far as you can go and then secure with an elastic. Once the braid is done, I like to spray it with a little hairspray before I make it into a flower. Next, choose which hair sticker you would like to use. Because Quinn's hair is so long, I am using the largest one. With the Velcro side up, place the end of the braid through the hole in the center of the hair sticker. Next, place the ends of a brad through the hole and then bend them flat in place. You can put the pearl brad in place before or after you make the flower, but I prefer to do it before. Next, roll the braid onto the hair sticker, making sure the sections you pulled or pancaked out will be on the outside of the flower. Press the braid into the hair sticker as you go to help it really adhere or attach to the Velcro. Roll the braid all the way up and then position the hair flower over the elastic to conceal it. Secure it in place with bobby pins. When done, make any other adjustments to the shape of the flower if needed. And that's it, you're all done. To take this style out, remove the bobby pins, and then gently unroll the braid off of the hair sticker. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!